The MLA of Mawsynram, Hima M Shangpliang, had paid a visit to the agitating SSA teachers at the parking lot near the Additional Secretariat on the 20th of July 2022 to better understand the problems they have been facing for quite some time now. Speaking to reporters, Hima Shangpliang expressed his surprise as to the delay in payment of 5 months' salary to the SSA teachers. He added that the indifference meted out by the government to the teachers has affected not only the teaching fraternity and their families but students as well. Shangpliang also felt that the government should take responsibility for the downfall of the education system in the state.
If for a lot of weeks we saw ad hoc teachers on the street, that means ad hoc schools were closed. Now again we see SSA teachers on the road, that means SSA schools are also closed. So how long are we going to tolerate? How long are we going to tolerate this? It has affected Kalakta, ya kapule puthi jong ki khon jongi kimyo shu, ya ka jingnang jing start ki khon jongi kimyo shu banle school. Ars nem shwa ngila yo ya ka jing saja bom yo banle school namar menta u covid. Menta mandala pli ke school hap khang biang namar baki strike ino hikai. Who is responsible for this? It is the government who is responsible for this. The government should come and talk to these teachers and release their pending salaries and also enhance whatever salary that they are requiring and try to sort out their problem, lessen the problems of the teachers. Kampenduna yakijing jongino hikai. Balai ba shusnap man kumni. Kei kadao. Where is the money that the central government has given? Where is the state share that is to be given? Why can't the government just come up with something? I want to see that these teachers go back to their respective schools. I urge upon the government that the government should send back these teachers back to the schools and release their salary so that our education improves in the state. We cannot allow this regular feature of teachers coming on the road. We cannot close down the schools and allow the teachers to come in the streets like this every time. The government should take responsibility of the downfall of education in the state and sort out this matter within this week. We will not tolerate to see teachers every time coming on the road like this.